Hello and welcome to Tech Support Wheel, and in this video I will show you how you can download Windows 10 ISO image for free. Open this link in your browser. Under Create Windows 10 Installation Media section, click on Download Tool Now option. Once downloaded, run the exe file. Accept the terms and conditions. In this screen, we have to choose Create Installation Media option. Click Next. By default, the language is set as English US. Architecture is 64-bit. If you want to change the options, uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC. The fields can be changed now. You can change the language, but I will keep it as is. In the architecture drop-down, you can choose the 32-bit Windows or 64-bit Windows. Or both, if you want to have one ISO image with both options, and you can choose during installation which version you want. I will go with 64-bit. Click on Next. This is the most important section, and this is what you need to have a Windows setup file. If you have the USB flash drive selected, you can create a bootable pen drive by inserting that in the USB port. A bootable pen drive will allow you to install Windows from the USB flash drive directly. If you want a separate video on how to create a bootable pen drive, do let us know in the comments. I will make a separate video for that. I will choose the ISO image as I will be installing the Windows in my virtual machine. You can also write the ISO image to a DVD and install Windows from DVD on your computer. Click on Next. Choose a location on your computer to download the install media. It will take some time to download and create the ISO image based on your internet speed. Wait for the download to complete. Click on Finish and we are done. You have the Windows.ISO downloaded. If this video has helped you, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Support Wheel for more useful contents like this.